Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour in the evening becoming light. Chance of precipitation 60%. Saturday, chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then thunderstorms likely in the afternoon. Highs in the lower to mid-80s. Chance of precipitation 60%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then partly cloudy after midnight. Low. Sunday, partly cloudy with a 50% chance of highs in the mid to upper 80s. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a 10% chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the lower to mid 60s. You're listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, broadcasting 24 hours a day from the National Weather Service office in Boulder. This broadcast serves the greater Denver metro area on stations KUC 76 on 162.55 MHz in Denver and WXM 51 on 162.475 MHz in Meade. Here is the forecast for Denver. Tonight, showers likely and chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then a chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour in the evening becoming light. Chance of precipitation 60%. Saturday, mostly cloudy. Chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon.
That's good. That's real good.
Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 50%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then partly cloudy after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour in the evening becoming light. Sunday, mostly sunny with a 50% chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s to lower 90s. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Ozone Action Day alert from 4 p.m. Friday until midnight.
Rain is approaching Mom and Dad, expecting the next 30 minutes.
What? Ozone Action Day alert. Where? Douglas, Jefferson, Denver, Western Arapahoe, Western Adams, Broomfield, Boulder, Lara, and Weld counties when 4 p.m. Friday, July 23rd to midnight, Saturday, July 24th. The following impacts are expected. Ozone Action Day alert is now in effect for the Front Range Urban Corridor. Requests to limit driving of non-jet vehicles, i.e. gas or diesel, are now in effect until midnight, Friday night, July 23rd, 2021. Ozone concentrations in the unhealthy for sensitive groups category are likely Friday afternoon and evening, primarily for southern and western portions of the Denver metro area, including Highlands Ranch and Golden. Improved air quality is expected on Saturday, with ozone concentrations returning to the good to moderate range for areas included in this advisory that are not expected to reach the unhealthy for sensitive groups air quality designation.
We've got a major rotation near Montezuma, if you guys can see that. Montezuma is right there, and you can see the rotation going on down here in the velocity. Yep, we're gonna get some snows. We're gonna get some storms. That's for sure.
Respiratory symptoms and breathing discomfort in active children and adults and people with lung disease, such as asthma. Active children and adults and people with lung disease, such as asthma, should reduce prolonged or heavy outdoor exertion. The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a small stream flood advisory for southeastern Clear Creek County until 6:15 p.m. At 4:11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause small stream flooding, particularly along the Schenectady creeks. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Denver has expanded the flash flood watch to include Grand and Summit counties below 9,000 feet. The flash flood watch continues from the mountains above 9,000 feet and the northern and front range foothills. It is now in effect from 11 a.m. this morning through this evening. Slow-moving thunderstorms will be capable of producing heavy rainfall, especially in the Cameron Peak, East Troublesome, Colwood, and Williams-Fort Byrne areas. Excessive runoff from heavy rain may cause flash flooding of creeks and streams, roads, and roadside culverts. The heavy rains could also trigger rock slides or debris flows. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks, which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should pay close attention to rapidly changing weather conditions and avoid streams or creeks if thunderstorms develop. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. The 4 p.m. observations around northeast Colorado. Denver International Airport was partly sunny. The temperature was 88 degrees, with dew point 56, the relative humidity 33%. The wind was north at 33 miles an hour, gusting to 47. The pressure was 30.14 inches and rising. Aurora was 83 degrees. The winds were north at 25, gusting to 33. Centennial partly sunny. The temperature was 90. The wind was east at 9. Boulder cloudy. The temperature was 82. The wind was north at 13, gusting to 23. Fort Collins Loveland Airport, fair and 80 degrees. The wind was north at 22 miles an hour. Greeley fair and 88. The wind was north at 24. Elsewhere in Colorado, Monument Hill fair and 84. The wind was northeast at 9. Colorado Springs partly sunny and 93. The wind was northeast at 14, gusting.
All right, guys, the rain is approaching current location and expect in the next 30 minutes.
The wind was east at 8 miles an hour, gusting to 23. At Estes Park, it was 62 degrees. Copper Mountain, light rain and 55. The wind was northeast at 9 miles an hour. Grand Junction fair and 94. Some other observations: Cheyenne fair and 78. North Platte fair and 98. Riverland fair and 95. Again, Denver International Airport was 88 degrees under partly sunny skies. The winds were north at 33 miles an hour, gusting to 47. Here is the forecast for Boulder and the western Denver suburbs. Tonight, showers likely and chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Then a chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour in the evening, becoming light. Chance of precipitation 60%. Saturday, chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then thunderstorms likely in the afternoon. Highs in the lower to mid-80s. Chance of precipitation 60%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then partly cloudy after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. Sunday, partly cloudy with a 50% chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid to upper 80s. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a 10% chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the lower to mid 60s. Here is the forecast for Denver. Tonight, showers likely and chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Then a chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight.
Oh, yeah.
Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour in the evening, becoming light. Chance of precipitation 60%. Saturday, mostly cloudy. Chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower to mid-80s. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 50%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then partly cloudy after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour in the evening becoming light. Sunday, mostly sunny with a 50% chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s to lower 90s. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s. South winds 10 to 15.
Guys, I gotta go. Something just came up.
Forecast for the Denver and Boulder area.